chicas again. My name is Vasilia Luz and I'm excited today to share with you one of my favorites recipes. And it's very easy, very simple. It's with chocolates and Oreos. I will put the original recipe down in the description box. In that recipe, I just added 2 ingredients, that it's salt and coconut oil. Instead of butter, you can use coconut oil if you don't want to use butter, or you can use half and half like I did in this recipe, and it just turns amazing. Let's get started. We're gonna use 3 packages of Oreos, 2 pieces of chocolate, heavy cream, some salt, butter, and either cranberries or strawberries. Now I'm gonna crush Oreos and in a food processor. Now we're gonna put that in the refrigerator. I'm gonna throw the heavy cream. I'm gonna add some salt. Tas nariks mereka cranberries.
Enak.
Ayolah. At this point, it's ready. You can add some powdered sugar if you want to make it more festive for Christmas, but I'm telling you, just as it is, it's just perfect. Doesn't need anything else. That's it.
So good. One bite.
Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have a wonderful day and a Merry Christmas. Bye.